Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about the JavaScript tutorial. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of web and learn, easy to learn. The tutorial will teach you a JavaScript from basic to advanced. Why we should study the JavaScript? The JavaScript on one of the three languages all web developers must learn, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have already teach you HTML and CSS. Now this is the turn to learn the JavaScript. Commonly asked the question, how do I get JavaScript? Where can I download JavaScript? Is JavaScript free? You don't have to get the or download JavaScript. JavaScript script is already running in your browser, computer, tablets or smartphone. JavaScript is free to use for everyone. JavaScript introduction. JavaScript can change HTML content by using the method getElementById, which already I told you in some HTML. The example below, find an HTML element with ID demo and change the element content inner HTML to hello JavaScript. Document type HTML, HTML body H2. What can JavaScript do? हमने बताया था कि पैराग्राफ में आईडी बनाते हैं डेमो. JavaScript can change HTML content. So create the button, already teach you a button. Type button, on click is the event. On event you will do the document get element by ID and the demo is the ID inner HTML equals to hello JavaScript. It will convert the it will show the hello JavaScript. How it will show, I will show you in HTML. This is your program which I already described you. Now run it, then press click me and it will say hello JavaScript. So it will change the HTML document into Java. Next is JavaScript use both double and single quotes, because if you write you can use the double and single quote for the string. Here get element by ID demo within a double quotes, or it can be written into the single quotes. How it will run, you see in it. Let's see. Here I have written a single quote and double quote both in a same program. So when we write the single quotes, then in the internal quotes should be a double quote. So when you press, then it will change hello JavaScript. Okay. So when you write the double quotes, then you also write the single quote to understand the quotes. JavaScript can change HTML attribute value also. Suppose you want to change the color of some picture, then you have to use two picture and on click once it will in white color and in another it will become another color. So see how you can do it. What can Java do? Then you press, here you have written on click document get element by ID my image. Image can be any image. Source pick bulb one.jpg. I have taken a bulb picture then image id my image source pic bulb of dot zip, either it is on or on off. So you have to write two events: on click when it is off, then on click when it is on. So run it. When you say turn on light, then it will become turn on, and when you say turn off the light, then it will show the white bulb. When you say light on, then it will show the yellow bulb. So this is the amazing facility of JavaScript. You can change your picture's color by using event and picture, different picture. Then next, what Java can do, here it's change the attribute of color of bulb. JavaScript can change the style of the HTML. What is a style? Here we can do, JavaScript can change the style of HTML by button, by using event. Suppose you have written style change, how it will change, can do here. Suppose you have written in 12 pixel text and you want to convert it into big one font size. So change the font size and get it. Then you press the click, then it will change the size of the line or text. Next is how you can hide the HTML element. For that you have to write HTML.js hide. Here you have to write on event style display none. When you say none, then whatever you want to show, it will not come on the screen. Just see JavaScript, click me, then written information will go and it will hide the information. JavaScript can hide the HTML information. When you press the click me, then it will hide the information. Same way you can show the information, hidden information. Here you have to write a style display block. When you say block, then it will display the hidden value. Hello JavaScript, it will show this, and again you can see hide. Here you have to write block, here you have to write none. The difference is there, when you want to show, then write block, and when you want not to show the information, then you have to write none. Then again hide and show. Then JavaScript can show HTML element. ये हो गया. JavaScript where to, कहाँ पे JavaScript रखें हम, इस पे डिपेंड करता है. तो हम JavaScript को अपने सेम फोल्डर में भी रख सकते हैं और बाहर भी रख सकते हैं. तो सेम फोल्डर में भी रख सकते हैं और बाहर भी. तो यहाँ पे where to पहले करना होगा. JavaScript change style folder external function event, है ना. अब यहाँ पे क्या किया उसने, सेम फाइल में फंक्शन को बनाया, फंक्शन एंड इवेंट सेम फाइल में फंक्शन को बनाया. तो जब हम रन करते हैं तो ट्राई इट करने पर पैराग्राफ चेंज हो जाता है. अब कैसे हुआ ये, यहाँ पे देखो, function my function document get element id demo inner html equals to paragraph change. So when you call the function, then it will convert the try a paragraph into paragraph change. And here the id is demo, and when you call the my function, the inner html is a paragraph, and when you run it, then a paragraph will change into paragraph change. ठीक, एक्सटर्नल। और स्क्रिप्ट को हम बॉडी में भी लिख सकते हैं और हेड में भी लिख सकते हैं, दो जगह लिख सकते हैं। तो जब हम हेड में लिखते हैं तो हेड के अंदर रहेगी और बॉडी कहीं पे भी दो जगह लिख सकते हैं। इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन यू वे यू वांट टू राइट। देखो बॉडी में भी लिख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे हेड पे लिखा था, हियर आई हैव रिटन इन बॉडी, स्क्रिप्ट बॉडी। अब जावा स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ पे है? अब एक्सटर्नल फोल्डर में भी रख सकते हैं और सेम में हमने दिखा दिया। नाउ इन एक्सटर्नल फोल्डर, when you want to get the things from external folder, external JavaScript, then you have to write the JavaScript in separate file. Where you have to write? You have to write in MyScript. This function will go into the MyScript.js, where you have to write the function. Then you have to write, if you want to make a folder and where you want to get this JavaScript, then you can get from that place, but it is taking some error. So next time I will tell you why it is doing so. चेंज CSS स्टाइल हो गया। यहाँ पे सारा कुछ हमने आपको आज का ट्यूटोरियल में बता दिया। कल नेक्स्ट हम आपको आगे का बताएंगे। बॉडी में है जावास्क्रिप्ट हो गया। जावास्क्रिप्ट एक्सटर्नल में इसलिए लिखते हैं कि हमको एक्सेस करने में इजी पड़ता है और उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है। वहाँ ढेर सारी जावास्क्रिप्ट होगी तो वो मिक्स नहीं होगी और पता रहेगा कौन सी जावास्क्रिप्ट क्या कर रही है। तो फॉर दैट वी राइट इन सेपरेट प्लेस। Tomorrow I will teach you JavaScript output, how we get the JavaScript output. Today lecture is finished. So thank you viewers. If you like it then please subscribe and share. Tomorrow I will teach you a JavaScript output. Thank you.